At Hotel Management School Leeuwarden, your educational journey is uniquely shaped by the principles of design-based education. What does this mean for you as our future student? Right from the start, you'll work on design challenges, which are real projects from real companies. You'll team up with other students in small groups. You'll learn to think critically, be creative, and search for the right information. You'll also learn how to take charge, work together, and present your ideas.
DBE for me, it's all about the combination of practical work and also theoretical, but mostly with a client or an industry partner where you learn more by being in the field, still by getting all the knowledge on the side, but you also learn by taking the initiative yourself with your design team and looking for your own solutions.
This way of learning really makes it that the knowledge sticks to you, because you can apply the things you're learning immediately, so you don't forget it right away, and it's really good for your global citizenship because of the international students you're studying with.
You learn a lot within your peers, within the industry partner, giving feedback and receiving feedback, being critical towards yourself, but also being critical towards others, which makes you able to develop yourself even more within the future.
And guess what? The cool design challenges you work on are not just for school. They're real-life issues that companies are currently facing. So, while you're learning and growing as a student, these companies get to benefit from the skills of the next generation of hospitality professionals. That's you. It's a win-win situation.
What I would like to see in this design challenge is that you're not constrained in any way, shape, or form by a budget, but to let your imagination run wild. These students bring such a fresh perspective to the table. They're far more objective and approach these challenges through their personal lens as both a guest as well as a potential employee. I wish I'd been given the opportunity to learn in a design-based education environment, as nothing will prepare you more as a student for what the actual work environment will be like once you graduate than this approach.
While working on design challenges, you'll be supported by lecturers, which we call facilitators. They won't tell you what to do. Instead, they'll help you and guide you through the process, answering any questions you might have.
It's nice to see students explore and engage with knowledge and not just following a parrot set of, you need to do this, this is the next step, that's the next step, where they actually explore and they enjoy the journey. Yeah, so as a facilitator, it's interesting to see the journey of students, to see the next generation of leaders, of game changers, actually forming in the 3-year process.
Apart from design challenges, you'll also carry out tests and academic assignments. You'll collect the results in a portfolio, which you'll reflect upon. This will ultimately be assessed during a final interview with lecturers.
I really love that you have the conversation at the end, because you can explain what you've done. They don't just see what you've done, they also hear what you've done. And it's way more personal, definitely.
So this type of education has helped me with open-mindedness, getting out of my comfort zone and being more confident, which I will definitely take in my future career.
Start your educational journey at Hotel Management School Leeuwarden, where you learn by doing and make an impact in hospitality and beyond.